Today we are going to show you how to install a TVM S37 ultra thin TV wall mount bracket. The TVM S37 can support LCD, LED, and plasma televisions that are between 23 inches and 37 inches and can support up to 165 pounds. Included with the bracket is all the hardware you need to install the TV wall mount bracket. The tools required for this installation are a cordless drill with a 1/4 inch bit, a stud finder, a level, a ratchet with a 1/2 inch socket or a wrench, a screwdriver, and a pencil. The first step is to locate the screw holes of the visa pattern featured on the rear of the television. Next, lay the mounting arm over the mounting holes on the back of your TV. Take a bolt and insert it into a washer. Lightly tighten it so that the arm attaches to the rear of the television. Insert a second bolt and washer on the second mounting hole on the rear of the television. Repeat this process with the other mounting arm on the other side of the television. Finish tightening the bolt with a screwdriver. Determine where you want to mount the TV or monitor. Typically, from a seated position, the middle to the bottom of the TV should be at eye level. Using a stud finder, locate the nearest stud to where you want to mount the TV. Mark where the stud is on the wall using a pencil. Using the stud finder, find a secondary stud near the first stud. Now, put the mounting plate on the wall where you marked the studs. Then, with a pencil, mark the area where you will drill the pilot holes through the open hole of the mounting plate. Then, with a cordless drill and 1/4 inch bit, drill the first pilot hole. Insert the mounting bolt with a washer into the wall through the mounting plate. Then finish with a ratchet and socket or a wrench. Using a level, determine the location of the secondary mounting hole. Then, drill a pilot hole with the cordless drill and insert the mounting bolt with a washer. Finish tightening the bolt with a ratchet. Next, mark your holes for the other 2 bolts on the bottom of the mounting plate. Then, drill pilot holes where you marked the 2 spots on the wall. Insert the mounting bolts into the pilot holes and hand tighten them and finish with a ratchet and socket. Finally, we are able to hang the television or monitor. Hang the mounting arms onto the back of the mounting plate. If the display is too big, get someone to help. From below the television, tighten the safety mounting screws using your screwdriver. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the TVM S37 TV wall mount bracket.